Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this simple, easy makeup look for college going girls. You guys are young, you guys are naturally beautiful, you don't need so much of makeup, so I did this look using minimal products. It looks very natural and it looks very fresh. It's very easy and it'll just take 5 minutes. Because I'm talking and showing you the steps to do this makeup, that's why it's taking a little bit of time, but I promise I can do this makeup in just 2 minutes. Also guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So many of you guys are watching my content, you guys are loving it, but you guys are yet not subscribed, so do subscribe to my channel right now. Alright guys, so now let's get started. So I just came back from a vacation, and vacation means lots of sun, desserts, junk food, change of weather, change of skin texture, and since it's monsoon, it's very humid and there's increase in sebum production. So there was this tiny little bump right here. You will obviously not be able to see it because it's almost gone because of the products I used, which I'll show you right now. Whenever I do anything out of my regular schedule, I make sure I come back to good skincare. So I took these two products with me. So the first product is Dr. Sheth's Neem and Salicylic Acid Face Wash. So I'm going to cleanse my face. It contains 1% salicylic acid, which is perfect to use every day. It's got tulsi and sodium lactate to fight acne marks. It does not contain sulfate, so it gently cleanses and does not over dry the skin. It fights acne and scarring, and the combination of soap-free wash and neem extract kills bacteria. It's suitable for dry, oily combination and sensitive skin. And I have got combination skin, it works great on my skin. Then I've got this Dr. Sheth's Neem and BHS Spot Clarifying Serum, which I was using for the last 3 days since I had a little bump right here, which is almost gone now. It is like a targeted solution for acne and acne marks. It contains 2% salicylic acid and 0.5% niacinamide. It's actually a classic. It's got tea tree oil and green tea extract to attack bacteria and calm irritated skin. I trust Dr. Sheth's products because all the Dr. Sheth's products that I've used till date, they worked great on my skin. Dr. Sheth's have 90 years of dermat expertise, and I trust their products because whatever products I've used, they've worked great on my skin, and their products are formulated and tested by dermatologists. They're vegan, cruelty-free and halal, and their products, they don't have any fragrance. They're free from nasties like mineral oil, sulfates and parabens. I'll mention all the links in the description box below, and I've also got a coupon code, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, now I'm going to start with the makeup. Now, since you guys are in college, you guys don't need to use a lot of makeup, especially when you're going to college. Plus, I would also not recommend using so much of cosmetic products, like so much of makeup at such a young age. You guys are already naturally so beautiful, so you wouldn't need it. Since you're in college, you don't have to worry about brands, you don't have to worry about expensive products. You just need to use the right kind of products which suit your skin. So in this video, I will not focus on the brand, but I'll focus on the kind of product that you will need and you'll be using. So the first product that you will need is a BB cream and a sunscreen. If you're not too keen on using BB cream, that's fine. But if you want to cover up certain spots, then a BB cream is the best thing. Even if your BB cream has SPF, I would still recommend you to use a sunscreen underneath your BB cream. So once you're done with the sunscreen, just use a BB cream. Just don't use too much of any product. If you need, you can always add up the product. So once you're done with the BB cream, just take any concealer and conceal your under eye area if you need it. I'm not color correcting my under eye area because I know that before going to college you won't have that much time. So I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and concealing my under eye area. I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. I'm not going to use brushes or anything, just to slightly cover up my dark circles. Now we're just going to use a compact and set the under eye area, just set the concealer. If you want, you can also set your entire face. We don't want any unnecessary shine on the face because of the BB cream or because of the sunscreen or moisturizer. It's always better if you just set your face with a compact, but not too much, just a little bit, just the tiniest amount. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows and just fill in the gaps. Don't worry, if you still want to use the products that I'm using, you can check my description box below. Or else you can just use whatever product you have. So just shape your eyebrows just a little bit. For the eyes, you can take any brown eyeshadow or any bronzer that you have. You can also take a brown eyeshadow stick. Today I'm just going to take a contour and I'm going to place it all over my eyelids, starting from the crease, just for a little bit of depth and a little bit of color. Also on the lower lash line. Next, I'm just going to apply mascara. You can take any mascara that works for you. If it's waterproof, then it's better. After we're done with the mascara, one additional step that I would want to do is apply a brown kajal. I would stay away from eyeliners, especially black ones, because they don't look natural. They're always giving a very decked up look, which I would not want when I'm going to college. And we're trying to achieve a very natural look here. So I'm just going to take a brown kajal and apply it as an eyeliner. Not doing a cat eye or anything, just applying it on my upper lash line. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line, like hardly touching it, and then smudge it with my little finger. I did not apply mascara on my lower lash line because I feel the mascara just brings down my eyes and it does not make my eyes look awake. So I generally don't apply mascara on my bottom lashes. But if you were okay with it, if you want, you can definitely go ahead. So makeup is always about not doing what the other person is doing exactly, because things which might suit my features might not suit your features. So you have to work accordingly, according to your face, your structure. So if you feel like your eyes look awake and big when you apply mascara on your bottom lashes, just go ahead and do it. Next, I'm going to apply a pink or a peach blush, not too bright, just a very subtle blush, and apply it on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on the nose as well. If you want, you can also apply a cream blush, but I would go for a powder blush because it stays longer. Now the last thing is the lipstick. I'm just going to apply a very natural lip shade which is similar to my lip color, and then I'm just going to dab it with my fingers. So that was it, a very pretty simple makeup tutorial for your college. When I was in college, I always used to keep my hair open, so I'm just going to keep my hair open. If you want, you can just tie up your hair in a nice ponytail or bun or whatever you're comfortable with. It was pretty simple and very, very easy to follow. I'll mention all the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. I've noticed that so many of you guys watch my content, you love my content, but you're yet not subscribed to my channel. Don't do this guys, please subscribe right now. Comment down below what product you just cannot do without before going to college. Guys, do comment down below because I love reading your comments. I love replying to you guys. If you have any more requests like this, do share it in the comment section below because I'm taking a note of what you guys are requesting and I'm doing my videos accordingly. So pour in your requests, and yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. Love you.